Finish?
मेरे को कार्ड दे दिए मेरा।
Спасибо большое. Thank you very much. А юноша этот из браминской семьи. You Brahmin, да?
I'm Brahmin.
Он брамин. From which century? I forget little bit about the repaying of this.
I will repeat. You make a video on YouTube.
Давай,
And
хорошо.
post mine, so I'm famous.
Давай, да, хорошо, давай. Он говорит, я тебе повторю, пошли. Папа, 10 minutes. He repeat. Better this because light to you.
So you post on YouTube?
From YouTube, I will tell you channel.
Yes.
Irina Hindi Live channel.
Okay. So I starting from 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Start.
So now welcome to Pushkar. We are here in the land of Lord Brahma. Lord Brahma have only one temple in the universe, is in Pushkar. The temple of Lord Brahma have no significance, no importance because we have holy lake. Family peoples will go to the lake and perform pray with holy water. In Hindu culture, normally we have three supreme god, Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. The full form definition of God, G-O-D, means generator, operator, destroyer. Brahma is the generator. He created everything in the universe. Second is the Vishnu, who is the operator. He runs all the universe. Third one is Shiva, is the god of destruction. He destroys all the bad evils, bad powers, negative energies on the earth. Brahma is the creator. He created everything in the world, but he didn't build a temple. In the time of Satyugam, after Brahma decided to build a temple, he threw a flower of lotus from the universe on the earth. The flower come and fall in between Pushkar. Before Pushkar there is nothing, only empty surface. But flower coming from the universe touch the surface, water coming from beneath of the earth. After whole town named as Pushkar. In Sanskrit the meaning of Pushkar, Pushpa means flower, Kar means hand, equal Pushkar. After Brahma built Pushkar, he decided to perform a fire ceremony because in Hindu culture, if we open new shop, make new building, any good work, before it's compulsory to perform fire ceremony. Fire ceremony, it's not possible without two things. First thing is right time, perfect moment. Second thing is the wife. Brahma is seated in between the water and Penance meditate billions years for perfect moment. Then moment is happening only for 5 days. Every year in the November, after 10 days of Deepavali, Camel Fair, Pushkar festival is happening for 5 days in the remembrance of fire ceremony. In 5 days, more than 1 million people come here and they not come for the temple, all coming only for holy water. Second important thing is the wife. Brahma's wife is Saraswati, Savitri, both are same. In Rajasthan we call it Savitri, in South India we call it Saraswati. Brahma's wife Savitri temple is on the top of the hill. She is busy in makeup. She cannot come at perfect moment. After Brahma is very angry, Brahma's have two bodyguards, Lord Kuber and Lord Indra. Lord Indra is the god of rainfall, Lord Kuber is the god of money. Brahma gives order, go around Pushkar, whenever you see any unmarried girl, bring her at between the lake. Her bodyguard goes around Pushkar. From 1 kilometer away, there is a village named Nan. They bring one girl, Gayatri. Gayatri is belong from backward caste, she is belong from Gujar caste. When they bring Gayatri at between the lake, Brahmin adopted her as daughter and Brahma did second wedding with Gayatri. After their wedding finished, they starting fire ceremony, they chanting the word Om Swaha, Om Swaha, Om Swaha. The word Om Swaha roaming everywhere in the universe. After some time on the hill, Brahma's wife Savitri, here on Swaha, she came down. When she arrived in the lake, Brahma already seated with other girl. Then she is very angry. She said, Brahma was alive. Why you do second wedding? You disrespect our family. I give you curse. I give you bad blessing. In all around the universe, you only one temple in Pushkar. That's why Lord Brahma have only one temple here. She also said, in your temple, no one family persons were allowed to offer anything. That's why in temple, family persons cannot offering prayers, ceremonies, nothing. Family people visit only empty hand in the temple. Family people will go to the lake and perform pray with holy water. If you touch water to your forehead, eyes, ears, nose, chin, shoulder, heart, all the bad sins, bad karmas gone down, your body is refreshed automatically. Now finally in Pushkar, tourists arrive for two reasons. First reason, they coming here and remember their ancestor forefather, because people coming here and give holy water tribute their 7th generation, because they think my son, my grandson go in Pushkar and give us holy water and performing pray for nirvana, for reincarnation. Second purpose, they coming here and performing pray in holy water for their good luck, good life, good health, good future. That's it. My name is Vishwanath Parashar. I am a Lokan Brahmin here.
What name? Repeat this slow.
Vishwanath Parashar.
Vishwanath Parashar.
Yes, it's the name of Lord Shiva.
Паруша. Это имя Шивы, лорда Шива, его зовут Вишванат
The meaning
Паруша.
of Vishwanath, Vishwa means world, Nath means just like the ruler. So ruler of the world.
Значение этого слова это как установитель правил мира, вот как-то так, да. Вот. Thank you very much. It
So
was
if anyone
very...
visit Pushkar, please contact us.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Я ему покажу свой канал. This Ирина Hindi Life.
Okay.
Subscribe.
I subscribe.
Давай, подписывайся. Ага. And bell. Колокольчик. Окей, thank you. Давай,
Have
все,
a good
пока.
day. Visit again. Take care.
Спасибо.
And
Ага.
post on YouTube. Okay.
Да. I will put. Yes, I translate and put.
Okay.
Thank you very much.